Hey church, I'm Leja and this is John.
And welcome to GT Connect.
We're so happy to be here and glad to have you in service. And if we have any visitors, we'd like to welcome you as well. GT Church is called to be a lighthouse in our communities and to the world. To fulfill this calling, the Community Outreach Ministry will meet the second and fourth Saturdays of each month. These outreaches will provide food and clothing to needy families and provide opportunities to accept Jesus Christ as Lord and Savior.
The next one will be Saturday, October 26th. If you'd like to be involved, please see Garfield Leatherwood or call the church office. Harvest Fest is almost here, only one more week. We'd love for you all to come and to help, but most importantly, invite somebody.
There'll be plenty of candy, activities, and fun for all families. Come join us for our safe environment on October 31st from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. The Friends and Family Fall Picnic will be Sunday, November 3rd. Bring your friends and family and join us for a great afternoon of good food and great fellowship.
Bring a vegetable or a side, salad, dessert out to War Veterans Memorial Park, Shelter 2 at 1 p.m. GT Church is opening its doors to new members. If that's you, or if you'd like to learn more, then Pastor would like to have lunch with you after the 10:45 service on November 10th.
Join Pastor George as he gives information about all the wonderful opportunities and ministries for being a part of the GT Church family. If you are interested in becoming a member, call the church office. GT Church will be joining Denise Wright with Matters of the Heart Ministry for Thanksgiving Outreach on November 9th at Pinellas Technical College. Last year, we fed hundreds of families and provided over 400 turkeys to needy families.
We need help serving the food, donating the turkeys, and even more. It's a very rewarding experience. If you'd like to help, please call the church office.
Pastor's about to make his way up, but in the meantime, don't forget to check in on Facebook.
And thanks for checking in, y'all, and for rocking those new GT stickers on your cars. Well, that's all we got. Thanks for watching GT Connect.
And we'll see you next week.